like shocked because when I opened the bubble wrap, the paint is actually all over the tube. And when I checked the tube, there is no hole.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be unboxing the stuffs that I ordered in Shopee. So it's a Shopee haul. So I hope you enjoy this video and stay tuned. And all of the packages that I've received has its bubble wrap for secure transportation. I hope there is no damage. And for disclaimer, all of these packages that I ordered is not sponsored by Shopee. It is my order and I buy it with my own money. So yeah, this is not sponsored. And the box is full of tape and it's so secured, and I hope the canvas is just fine and has no damage. So we will see.
3 hours later.
I ordered 19 pieces of these canvases and I cannot wait to try them.
Wow, it's tiger for this canvas panel. It's very cheap, that's why I ordered this one. It's tiger. 100% cotton, 280 grams for oil and acrylic paint. 8 by 10 inch. Yeah, I cannot wait to try them. Okay, for the next package. So next package is fan brush that I ordered. Yeah, it's quite easy to open. Wrapped it with bubble wrap. Oh, it's also covered with cardboard. Thin cardboard. Okay, here it is. Oh wow. Wow. Love it already. I like the handle. Oh, it's quite small. Yeah, but it's perfect. I think I bought this one for very cheap price. Yeah, I'm a thrift shopper.
Please comment down below if you're a thrift shopper like me.
I don't want to order some expensive stuffs. Anyway, you can use them like the same. Expensive or cheap, it's just the same. Wow, I really love it already. Oh, it's so cute. Cute fun brush. It's 000, 00, and 10. Wow, can't wait to use this. Okay, let's move on with my paints. I really wanted to try these paints since I am out of titanium white. I also ordered primary colors only because yeah, I just wanna try, because I still have paints, so I just wanna try them first so I can order the other paints. Okay, let's open them one by one. first time to buy Liquitex Basics acrylic because I want to try them to see what will be the, to see the quality. Oh my god! What the fuck? Oh my god. OMG. I was really like shocked because when I opened the bubble wrap, the paint is actually all over the tube. And when I checked the tube, there is no hole. And I don't know where is that leak came from. Like literally there is no hole. What the hell? There is no hole. Yeah, when you squeeze it. Oh, it's here. In the top. Yeah. There's actually a hole at the top. So that is where the leak came from. So I actually sealed that leak with tape. So I hope for the meantime to stop the leak. Okay, I hope it will help. It helps. So here's the primary yellow, primary blue, and primary red. Oh my god, pati yung white. Again, there is a bad news. This Liquitex Basic Acrylic Titanium White or burst, and then like 1/3 of this paint inside the tube like comes out, and then I don't know, maybe the part of the paint hardened and it actually sealed the tube, and when I squeeze it there is no paint coming out, so it actually sealed the hole. It's the same hole here at the top. OMG, I'm so devastated right now. Like OMG, the white, titanium white is so wasted, and titanium white is the most used paint, so they actually, I don't know, maybe it's because of the delivery, so it exploded. So yeah, that's all. The titanium white, one Mars black, primary yellow, primary blue, and primary red. That's all. Actually, the first time that my packages actually exploded because when I used to order, there is no actual damage. So they usually come very safely. But I don't know with this one, maybe they just didn't pack it well. That's why. And here is another set, silver and gold. I really love gold and silver because I actually use them for background when I do some painting, and I really love this gold and silver. That's why I ordered them. It's the same brand, Liquitex Basics. Yeah, and paint is all over my hand. I think that's all for now, guys. I was so happy and devastated at the same time because of that damaged tube. OMG, it was my first time. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video that I created. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you all on my next video. Bye.